This 2024 Grand Design Transcend Xplor 26BHX is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Concord, North Carolina 28025 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Concord. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Grand Design is 30 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 9, Slideout, and 56 gallons freshwater capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunkhouse, front bedroom, outdoor kitchen. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.